everybody, the time has come. Out of these 30 people on the list, whoever showed up for our open house to find out who we are, see who we are, what we do, and entered into the iPhone X contest. Right now we're going to select one random winner generated by the computer program. Artem is going to plug in the numbers out of 30 people and it's going to generate us one lucky winner. So stay tuned. We're going to do this right in front of you. We're going to put 30 people on the list, which is how many people showed up.
And generate. Go.
All right, number 13, lucky 13. Who is lucky 13?
Number 13?
Number 13 is Dmitry Tarasevich. We have a winner, Dmitry Tarasevich.
We have number, phone number, and
the lucky number is 13, right here. Number 13,
okay.
Dmitry Tarasevich. We're gonna call Dmitry right now. Здравствуйте, это Дмитрий? Привет, я хочу поздравить тебя. Ты обладатель нового iPhone X. Серьезно. Ты только не мутикайся, не кричи, мы тебя записываем сейчас на видео, потому что нам надо будет это поделиться со всеми нашими друзьями и товарищами и клиентами. Поэтому congratulations, you are the winner of the iPhone X. Okay? Alright. Okay, have a good day. You can come to the office and pick it up any day from Ksyusha.
I come tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Dmitry.
Thank you so much, Roman.
Okay.
Great news.
Awesome, awesome. I'm glad we made you happy.
See you.
Okay, bye.
Dmitry, again, thank you very much for attending our open house this Friday. You're the lucky winner of iPhone X. Here you go. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for coming over. Congratulations again, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks. Thank you very much for the gift. It's very interesting to see your company, your manufacturing. Is everything fine? Thank you again. Bye.